Yung third dish ko po is salmon steak with shiitake and oyster sauce.
Wow!
Salmon steak with shiitake and oyster.
From the name, meron siyang shiitake and oyster sauce with combination of sauteed onions, garlic, celery, bell pepper, and a bit of carrots.
Nakain mo na ba yung ganitong klaseng dish?
Nagagawa ko po siya pero hindi po salmon yung ingredients. So nag-reinvent po ako kung paano ko i-mix yung salmon sa ganyang dish. Pati po dun sa croquettes kanina, nagagawa ko po yung dish na yun pero without salmon. This is the first time po na nag-recreate ako ng dish na may salmon.
Decoration.
It's very, very good. I like it.
Sarap. So good.
I love the sauce. Thank you very much.
Thank you
We had fun with your 3 dishes.
Opo.
Great. Magkita tayo mamaya.
Okay po. Thank you po, Miss Hart. Sana po nagustuhan niyo po. Thank you po. Sige po. Thank you po. Yung marinig mo lang yun coming from Marvin, tapos makita mo na tuwa yung artistang pinagluto mo. Doon pa lang make or break, parang panalo ka na, fulfillment pa rin yun.
Just, maaari ka nang pumasok, please. Hi, Just. Just, si Hart, si Bella, si Fabio, at syempre ang ipinagluto mo, Just, si Bella. Ang kanyang favorite ingredient ay shrimp. Anong naging inspiration mo sa 3 dishes na ginawa mo?
So, parang mixed international foods po yung ginawa ko. One is Japanese, which is a tempura. Okay, with 2 sauces duo. And then the other one is a mix of, because there's a salad, and then on top of it is like a Chinese siomai, fried siomai. It's a mix. Yes, it's a shrimp surprise. The third one is shrimp fettuccine. Kasi nabasa ko din na gusto mo na Italian food. So,
Thank you.
your research, huh? She gave you the extra oomph.
Yeah, extra points.
Si Bella kasi yung pagluluto mo. So, kailangan mag-isip ka talaga yung hindi common na ginagawa sa shrimp.
So ito na ang iyong tempura with 2 sauces.
Wow!
Ano itong sauces mo? Ano itong puti? Just?
Sour cream po.
Sour cream. Sour cream and condensed milk. Wow, interesting ito.
It's just a mix of soy sauce and sugar for the tempura sauce.
Okay. The way I see your tempura, mas mukha siyang ebi fry than ebi tempura.
Hindi ko alam, hindi ako mahilig sa Japanese food. Ang alam ko lang, basta na-coat yun na bread, tempura na, tapos chicken. Tempura na yun. So, ang pinangalan ko doon, tempura, kasi yun yung alam ko.
He's not using the usual shuwa flour.
Again, sasabihin ko sa'yo, Just, kung ebi fry siya, perfectly coated siya. Pero tinatawag mo siyang ebi tempura, kaya ako nako-confuse sa kanya.
From friends si Sir Marvin, ang dami ng Japanese restaurant. So, familiar siya sa lahat ng luto ng Japanese dishes. And admit ko, hindi ko talaga alam yung difference nung isang pangalan nito. Ay, magkamukha eh. So, yun, okay, sige, yun na lang. Kasi hindi ko talaga alam. Ay, ina-admit ko, hindi ko talaga alam. So, minus points on.
Up next!
I think she set us up too much on the sour factor. I was expecting something really sour. Tamis niya actually.
Saka nag-paste siya.
Yes.
Tomato pear. Cherry tomatoes na nga ginamit, tapos nag-paste.
Researcher siya ng isang programa sa GMA.